Hello and welcome back to the show. Today we are going to be unboxing Glossy Box for December. So I'm really excited about this. Look how gorgeous this box is. They always kill it on their packaging. But first is our moment of inspiration. And so I ordered these cards. They're the Abraham Hicks Asking It Is Given card, and I'll put them over here because I'm cool enough to know how to do this now. But the inspiration or message that I received today was, in my appreciation, I offer no resistance. And because I'm getting older, I gotta read up close. It says, appreciation and self-love are the most important aspects you could ever nurture. Appreciation of others and the appreciation of yourself are the closest vibrational matches to source energy of anything we can ever witness anywhere in the universe. So when we're in a moment of appreciation, we're not holding on to any negative energies, and therefore all of our desires and all of our hopes and aspirations, they can start to filter in through the universe, because there's nothing. It's kind of like when you're watering the grass and you plug the hose by bending it and no water can fill through. Like, that's our resistance when we're not in appreciation, or we're not happy, or our emotions are down and things like that. So when we appreciate things, any little thing, a cup of coffee, a subscription box in the mail, petting our animals, those kind of things, then we kind of release that tension and we start to feel better. So those positive things can start coming in. All right, I don't want to take too much time on that, but here we go. So Glossy Box is a monthly subscription for $21 a month. Of course, if you sign up for 12 months, then it becomes $18 a month, and you get a mix of full size, deluxe size, and sample size items. I've had this box for a long time. Like, I think I've had it since 2015, and I really like it. I appreciate it. I've noticed they've been doing a lot more sample things, and so I've kind of been on the fence about canceling, but since I started doing these reviews, I thought I'd go ahead and keep it for a couple more months. So again, here is the beautiful December box. It always will come in a box. They do different boxes for different holidays. So if not, then you get just a regular pink box. But anyway, this one's gorgeous. It says the best time of the year. And let's go ahead and open that up and look. I mean, just the quality of these. I use these for all kinds of things, from my makeup palettes, for my nail polishes, organization. I have some here in this area, and they always, again, just kill it with that packaging. Look how pretty they do this. It's like opening up a little present for yourself. So let's go ahead and untie the string. Woo! It comes with a little booklet of everything that you're going to get in the box, as well as a description and the price. So we'll go through that as we open it up. And you always get like this pretty tissue paper with their cute little stickers. Like, I think this subscription is just nice to have, just for the box and the presentation itself. And then this is how pretty this looks. They always put in some colored paper in there. All right, so the first thing that we see on top is the coffee sugar scrub. Now, I do know that we get this in Ipsy, and a lot of people like it. I personally have never gotten this. I have wanted to try it, so I'm excited for this item. Like, I'm Sorry, my necklace was like sticking to my skin. I want to try this. I've always kind of been interested in coffee exfoliating, so this is a good little guy. This one retails for, this is considered a travel size, 30 grams, and it retails for $15. So the full size says it's 200 grams for $19.95. So I'm not sure how many bags or packages that would be. You know, I'm not gonna do the math on that right now. But anyway, this little guy, excited to try that. Let's go ahead and do this next. This is a soothing coconut biocellulose eye mask. Looks like there are these cool little shades that you can wear later on in the night. I love coconut. Sheet of fermented coconut juice. All around eye treatment to soothe, nourish, and plump the skin. So I get eczema under my eye here, and so I'm all about trying this stuff. And also because I'm getting older, I'm also starting to get those circles and stuff. Like, my gray hair was really showing, and I was like, well, I'm just gonna go with the flow and whatevs. Anyway, so this looks nice. I'm excited to try this just because of all of those, you know, aging things I just talked about. Although I don't think you have to be aging in order to use this. This retails for $6. Looks like this is considered just a full size. Yeah, full size. Oh yeah, okay, so it does tell you on here, full size. Can we get it? It does tell you up here full size or deluxe size sample, so that's kind of cool. The next thing I'm seeing, which I'm excited about, is this, what is this? Christopher Robin Cleansing Purify Scrub with Sea Salt. So, I don't know if you can see that, but what I was excited for this for is, oh yeah, okay, is to use this. I like to use scrubs for my feet in the winter. Oh yeah, this is nice. In the shower, so you can kind of see, it's a little sticky consistency. Definitely feels like some kind of sugar scrub. I don't even know if it's picking that up on camera, but here is, it's a really nice consistency. I really like that. So, like I was saying, yes, I like to use this on my feet in the winter, in the shower. I think it just, because our feet are always with socks and shoes or boots, I feel like they get a little more dry, and without going into too many weird details, it's like it just takes off that layer of dead skin, and it really helps prolong the softness of your feet, in my opinion, and for my skin. So I'm super excited about this. It's a deluxe mini, and it retails for $8.48. Full size, this is for, oh, okay, so the deluxe size is 40 ml, and the full size would be 250 ml for $53. So this is nice to try. I love that. It does have a nice scent to it. It's not too perfumey or overwhelming. It just smells clean is the best way. Like almost like a clean laundry scent. Not really too much of a coconut scent, but still I love it nonetheless. The other thing is in here we have a CBD FX Rose Face Mask for toning and moisturizing. So it looks like we got quite a bit of masks this month. I'm not a mask person. Like for my Ipsy subscription, I say no masks. I'm perfectly okay getting it in this box because I don't have a choice, and I'm perfectly okay with it. I'll it's not that I don't use them, they just make me super cold. And I've tried the thing where you run it under hot water and warm it up, but that really doesn't do a whole lot for me. It doesn't necessarily warm it up like they say, so I haven't had luck with that. Anyway, this looks pretty good. Contains premium quality broad spectrum hemp extract, vegan friendly, active botanicals. So yeah, you know, I'm willing to give it a try. I do definitely like the CBD type stuff. I've had good luck with it, no complaints there, so you know, we'll see about that. This is considered full size and it is $9.99. All right, then we have this Adaptogen Deep Moisturizer Cream, Youth to the People. This is formulated for dry, reactive, and sensitive skin. This moisturizers plant extracts and peptide complex make for long-lasting hydration without clogging pores. Sorry, I didn't realize I should have redone that. Oh well, I should have been looking up. Okay, no smell, kind of has this dark brown color. Let's see. Again, I'm all about, oh yeah, I like that. I'm all about moisturizing under my eyes, so I'm excited for that. It's a nice, yeah, I like that. It's a nice lightweight cream. Like, it doesn't smell like anything at all actually, which is good. I'm going to definitely be using this. Okay, this little guy is only 0.25 ounces. It's a deluxe mini, retails for $18. So there's that little guy. This little guy. All right, I'm so far super excited about this box. Okay, next is a nude stick, or from Nude Stick, gel color lip and cheek balm Posh. This says it's a full size. Oh, guess you want to see that color, huh? So that's a really gorgeous color. I've not tried anything from this line. Oh yeah, it's right up my alley. Look at that, nudes. Send nudes. Joking, don't send nudes, okay? I like this. I'll use this for my lips. I don't like to use lip and cheek balms for my cheeks. I feel like they're just a little too greasy for me, too oily, and I don't feel like the pigment for my cheeks is really there. So definitely will use this for my lips. Oh man, I'm excited. Yeah, let's put this on. Yeah, it has a nice, oh yeah, I love it. I like it a lot. Okay, anyway, this retails for $26. $26, okay, all right. And that's considered full size. Okay, well, it is what it is. So we'll do our little recap. We've got the Nude Stick Lip and Cheek Balm, full size. We've got the Rose Face Mask, the Coconut Eye Mask, the Coffee Scrub, the, what was this again? The Cleansing Purifying Scrub with Sea Salt, and the Deep Moisture Cream. So, alright, that's not a bad box. I'm happy with this box. I'm good with it. Even like I said, I don't care for too many sheet masks, but I'm okay with this. Like, I'm excited to try all these. The retail value that I did get for this was $57.47 for a $21 box. So it's still a good price range. Nothing like you see with your more popular subscriptions, but still definitely worth it. Like I said, I'll continue to still keep getting this box. I am starting to not care so much for the sample face masks. Like, I feel like you can go to Walmart and get a bunch for like $2.99 or $1.99, so that's sort of why I'm not as excited about it, but I'm okay getting this. And I definitely love these 3 items, the lip and the moisturizers. Like, those for sure are gonna get used. I am going to give these a try. So anyway, let me quit rambling on, because that's what I seem to do nowadays. And again, you get this beautiful, beautiful box. Like, I'm not throwing this away. I think you'd be insane to throw this beautiful box away. Like, you can use this to re-gift stuff in, which is probably what well, I may not do it with this box because it's too pretty, but with the regular pink boxes, for sure, I'll reuse those and do gifts. So excited about that. Guys, let me know what you think. Do you guys receive Glossy Box? Do you like getting the sample size face masks, even though they are, well, I guess they're considered full size, but what do you think about that? The price versus the value of the box. Do you want to try this, or, you know? Oh, I also forgot to mention, I did look on their website, and since I don't have any affiliate codes, or I'm not sponsored and all of that mumbo jumbo, like I pay for it myself, I did want to let you know right now, if you use the code December 16, you can get this box for $16. So your first box will be 16 bucks. So I think it's a good deal. For $16, you'd get the $57 worth of stuff. That's super awesome. And the other thing I want to mention is, please like, subscribe, comment. If you're still here, put a little lipstick on so I know that you followed me to the end. I would love that.